Hi guys, just a really quick one. I'm going to be replacing lights on this Vkar Bison. The wires are rotted off, so I've been running it down beach quite a lot. Salt water's got inside. You can see these wires down here. These go to the front LEDs. So I've just ordered 2 more from Monkey Hobby. That's a part number ET1044. Really quick, by the way. Took about 2 weeks. About £6 for the full set. You get 2 fronts, 2 backs. So what we need to do first is get this front bumper off. See, that's the back of the lights there. These wires here have just rotted off the back of the wires, and it's my own fault. I've had it submerged in salt water. It should just pop out. See, that's the LED light. You don't need to take these screws fully out, just loosen them, push it, the lights will pop out. I'm going to take this wiring out first. And it's just plugged in. It looks like it's plugged into a double outlet on receiver. That's the old wire. Get rid of that. So in this set you get from Monkey Hobby, I'm sure they were £6. I'll put a link in description. You get the full kit, 2 rear red lights and 2 fronts. So all I need is the 2 fronts. I'll disconnect that. Just push the LED through, tighten up the Allen keys. There's a new LEDs back in the bumper section. Probably when I get all this put back together, I'll put a bit of grease round back at wires on lights. because I tend to run it on beach quite a lot and salt water just rots them off. That's the bumper tightened back up. Route the wire back down there. And plug it back in. I'll tidy all these up later. And just see if they work now. Job's a good one. There you go guys, quick video on how to put lights into a Vkar Bison. Around about £6 from Monkey Hobby. Job's done. Thanks guys. See you later.